Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Arrow Lake-based ASUS Zenbook DUO, UX8406C. To open this dual-screen machine, you have to undo 12 Torx head screws. 4 of them hold the kickstand that is fixed to the base. Underneath, you'll find a small cap. Undo the 2 screws and pop it with a lever tool. Undo the 2 screws that secure the second display connector to the motherboard and carefully pop it. The battery connector is on the right. To detach it, slide forward the tiny metal shield on top to release the connector. Wear gloves to avoid potential electrical zaps. Gently lift the connector by its sides with a plastic tool. Then, flip the notebook and pry the 4 sides around the second display with a thin plastic tool. The front should be last. The last step is to lift the panel and remove it from the motherboard. Here's how the second panel looks on the inside. The battery is a 75-watt-hour unit. To take it out, undo the 3 Phillips head screws that secure the unit in place and remove the second Wi-Fi card cable which stands on top of the battery. The capacity is enough for around 13 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the standard fan profile applied in the My ASUS app. Expectedly, for such a device, the memory is soldered. On the flip side, you get up to 32 gigabytes of fast LPDDR5, 7,500 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode, which is plenty for normal home or office usage. The Wi-Fi 7 card is also soldered. Part of the cooling is visible on the front side of the motherboard. This includes the 2 fans and the pair of heat sinks. To remove the motherboard, detach the 2 connectors in front of the hinges, disconnect the 2 fan connectors, and remove entirely the right fan, which is held in place by a trio of screws. Remove the pair of antenna cables from the wireless card. Detach the connectors for the speakers. Also, undo the bunch of screws that are marked with a white pointer alongside the 2 underneath the heat sinks. The 2 heat pipes and the centrally placed duo of heat spreaders are on the other side of the main board. There, we can spot the M.2 slot for 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The pre-installed NVMe is cooled by a long thermal pad on top.